inform that next Sunday also we are going to have one CRM session for another batch. They can attend that. Okay. First, we are just giving overall picture of the CRM first. Right. Only one are there. Right. Now look at the point. We have. Let me make a general example. Chalo, we'll take Ravi. This guy has two sons. We have a person called Prasad. He has got three sons. One son name is Ravi, Kiran, okay, Faraz. There are three sons he has got. Now we got Ravi, Kiran, Faraz. Now what this Prasad want to do? He want to sell these people. Sell means what? Marriage. Marriage proposition, nothing but selling only, right? So he has three products. Product name Ravi, Kiran, and Faraz. Every product will have its own unique price. Every product will have its own standard price. Every product will have its own product code. Now he has got these three products. Then the three products they kept. The Prasad decided now Ravi should be sold in the minimum price that he want to sell it is 25 lakh. Okay. Kiran, he told is 40 lakh. Faraz, he told some 50 lakh. Now we kept these prices. These are the standard prices. Product corresponding price. Now he will not reveal this price to everyone, right? He will not reveal this price to everyone. Then what happened? They created a price books. Price book means where you want to sell. If you are selling there, what will be the price? They kept two price books. What is the price books here? One is domestic price book. Another one is NRI price book. Now if this fellow want to be, if you want to, the Prasad want to sell this fellow within India. Okay, within the India you want to sell, India price book. You want to sell this fellow outside the India also. Now in India if he is selling, they told Ravi price is 30 lakhs. Kiran price is 40 lakhs. Okay, 50 lakhs. Now Faraz they don't want to sell it in India. He has more demand, so they want to sell it only in outside. Now NRI price book, Ravi they told 40 lakhs. Kiran 50 lakhs. Faraz, let us say 60 lakhs. Now what was this? Ravi, Kiran, Faraz are the products which my company want to sell. Ravi, Kiran, Faraz are the products which my company want to sell. But when they want to sell, they made a price books. Now Indian price book, NRI price book. Indian price book, NRI price book. In India, if I want to sell Ravi 30 lakhs, Kiran 50 lakhs, it is not necessary that every product I will sell everywhere. It is not necessary that every product I will sell anywhere. Okay, which products I want to sell, for which price I want to sell, I have made a list. What is that list called? Price book. What was this book called? Price book. Now, there are two types of price book. Standard price book, custom price book. Standard price book means what? All the products with the standard prices are called standard price book. Now, the price book what you created is called custom price book. Now, in the custom price book, whichever the products you want to sell, you will be putting them. Are you clear about this? Now, what are the 2 points I have? Product and price book. What are the two things I have? Products, price book. Price book is a list of products with the corresponding prices. Whatever the price I was showing in price book, it is called a list view, list price. Whatever the price book I am showing is a list price. When you go to shopping mall, the price tag will be there. It's called list price. They will not sell for the same price. They say 10% discount, 5% discount, and they sell it. Now, actual cost of the product is 20,000, and the price book you find 30,000. They will sell, boss, 5% discount. We are giving 10% discount. Pay me just 37,000. Right? That is what sales price. So, how many prices we have? List price, sales price, standard price. The company will decide the price. This is the minimum price for which I have to sell. Then only my profit will come. The extra thing is a profit. The break even will come for this particular price. My efforts and That's called the standard price. Then while displaying, they'll go with the list price. Then while they're selling, they go with the sales price. Now, price book, list of products with the corresponding list prices. Products with the list of, can the same product will be in multiple price books? Can I have the same product in multiple price books? Yes. Can I have with the different prices? Yes. Now, Prasad, products are ready, price book is also ready. Now he is getting into the market to sell. Now, how does the people know that these products are available for sale? How does the people know? Right. Then Prasad kept a budget. Boss, I want to market Ravi. I want to come to market. Okay, market Ravi. My budget is 30,000 rupees. Within 30,000 rupees, whatever the possibilities are there, I will use for marketing. Now I kept marketing. Why? Ravi, you want to sell. How does the people know Ravi is available for sale? How does the people know Ravi is available for sale? He is ready for marriage. Right. Then he went to some shadi.com. Then he told, boss, 5,000 rupees package he has taken with some profit. Okay. Then he went to, okay, some, what was that? Some matrimony.com. Okay. Then they told some 5,000 rupees package they have taken. They invited some, okay, agents. They gave them, boss, 10,000, take this amount, look for the proposals. Then they told to their relatives, boss, this product is available for sale, start. Okay. Then again, immediately he told, remove everything from your Facebook. So, when you are ready for sale, first everything should be removed from your Facebook. Okay. And your Instagram and TikTok. So, you are for the sale. Right. All these are what? Marketing strategies. When you are going for this marketing, now every marketing may work, may not work. Then, what is your budget for marketing? How much money you are spending? For how many days you are spending? Now, when you told 5,000 rupees, they told 1 month package. They told 10,000 rupees, a 2 months package. How many people are involved? For how many days you are doing? With this promotion, how many inquiries came? By looking this campaign, people came to know, boss, this fellow is available in the market for the sale. Right. Then immediately what happened was, some of the inquiries came. Now, inquiries came. Now, some, let us say, now we have, let us say, Divya came. Some inquiry, Divya, Kavya and Raju. Now we asked, boss, Divya, for whom you are inquiring? Divya told, I am inquiring for my sister, inquiring for my daughter, I am inquiring for my daughter, inquiring for my sister. Now, these are what? Leads. Then asked, how did you come to know? Then Divya told, I saw your profile in shadi.com, I made an inquiry. Then Kavya told, I looked at your profile in the matrimony.com, I made a call to you. Then Raju told, agent told me that there is a marriage proposal, I gave a call to you. Then so Wilson told, some relative of you told that looking for a proposal. Now these inquiries came based on your marketing. Whatever the marketing you have done, based on the marketing, got an inquiry. Now I want to know influence, campaign influence. By looking at this marketing, how many people came to you? How many leads came to you? How much opportunity you got? How much revenue you got? How many leads came? How many contacts came? That is called campaign influence. What is it called? Campaign influence. Campaign influence means based on the marketing that you have done, how many people have come. Now I have distributed a pamphlets. Now when you join the course, we ask you, how did you come to know about the Captain 4? You say, friend referred. You say, we attended a demo. You say, social media, Facebook. Then I know which marketing is working for me. Then that's called campaign influence. By looking at this campaign, how many inquiries came, how many people joined, how much money I got. Then I know whether this campaign is working or not. So that next time I will plan or not, I will decide. This is called campaign influence. How many leads, how many contacts, how many opportunities we got based on this campaign. So based on the shadi.com, how many inquiries came? Based on matrimony.com, how many inquiries came? Now you got 10 inquiries now. Next month you say, for renewal my policy, I'll pay 5,000 more. Because I'm getting more inquiries from them. So I want to renew it. So how do I know? I'll make a list. By Shadi.com, how many profiles I received this month? How many inquiries I received this month? From matrimony.com, how many received? From agent, how many received? My agent is not sending any profiles. So I will stop using this agent from next month. Now I'm getting more profiles from Shadi.com. Renewal my account. So I want to know which marketing strategy is working for me. To know this, we need to have campaign influence. Number of leads, number of opportunities, number of contacts we received based on this campaign. Now there will be a parent-child campaigns. Parent-child campaign means this campaign is a part of another campaign. This campaign is a part of another campaign. Now I want to promote a movie. Now movie campaign. Under the movie campaign I told, okay, TV show. Under the movie campaign I told, okay, radio show. Under the TV, okay, under the movie campaign I told some controversy. Now all these are what? Part of campaign called movie campaign. Now parent campaign, child campaign. Are you getting my point? Which is called campaign hierarchy. If the campaign has any sub-campaigns, we call it as campaign hierarchy. So what is a campaign? Anything that you do to promote the products of your company or the brand of your company is called campaign. What do you call as a campaign? Anything that you do to promote the products of your company or brand of your company is called campaign. Anything that you do to promote the products of your company or the brand of your company is called campaign. While you are going for a campaign, what is your budget? How many people are involved? For how many days you are doing this campaign? What is the expected revenue? What is the expected outcome? That is the campaign information. Then campaign influence. Okay, number of leads came because of this campaign. Number of opportunities came because of this campaign. Number of contacts came because of this campaign, which is called campaign influence. Right. Look at this, everyone. If you got stuck with any technical term, let me know. Right. Now, look at the point. So when you will go with this one, campaign. Go open any one of the campaign. When you open any one of the campaign, now we got here leads in the campaign, converted leads in the campaign, contacts in the campaign, opportunities in the campaign, opportunities won. All these are called campaign influence. All these are called campaign influence. Now, under this campaign, I want to create another campaign. What is this? Under this campaign was created. This is a child of this campaign. Are you getting my point? So here we have campaign members. Campaign members means leads and contacts which I got from this. Now the names of the leads, names of the contacts which I received because of this campaign are called campaign members. Number of leads, campaign influence. Who are those leads? Campaign members. Ravi, Kiran, Hari, campaign members. Number of leads, 3 is a campaign influence. Now campaign influence will give summarized count. Campaign members will tell leads, contacts which I received. Leads, contacts which I received are campaign members. Total number of leads received, total number of opportunities received, total leads received, total number of opportunities received, all that is campaign influence. I hope you're good. Campaign influence, campaign members, campaign hierarchy. So what is the first one we had? So internally, campaign is what? Is a standard object. Campaign. What is a campaign? It is a standard object created by. This will store information about all the marketing activities done by the any activity that your organization to perform, to promote product of your company or brand of your company. It's called campaign. Now what are the technical terms we got? What are the technical terms we had? Influence. Campaign. This will specify number of leads, opportunities, contacts, amount won, due to the influence of this campaign. This will specify number of leads or opportunities or contacts or amount won due to the influence of campaign. Now, what are the other one? Campaign members. The leads are the contacts. Leads and contacts who are created due to the influence of this campaign are called campaign. Right about. So it's a table. We have created this. Now your company has a budget of 1 lakh rupees per month for promotional activities. Now within that 1 month, 1 lakh rupees, if you want to plan, you can go ahead. But every campaign you plan, your manager has to approve it. I cannot start campaigning whatever the way I want. Now, what is the campaign you want to plan? I want to go for a mob show. Okay. Mob dance in some shopping mall as a promotion of my company. Now I am planning for this. Now I need to take my approval from the corresponding manager. So if you want to take an approval, what we require? We require an approval process. Whenever a campaign is created with the amount more than this, then approval should be taken by you from the corresponding manager. Records should be submitted for approval process. Now the moment the campaign is planned, all the members who are involved in this campaign activity, they should receive an email. Boss, so and so date, so and so campaign is formed. All of you, prepare yourself for the activity. Now then what is that? Workflow rule. Now when a campaign is created, I am sending an email to them. Automatically the record should be submitted to the manager. Manager is going to approve it. Once he approves it, then everybody is going to get a mail. Boss, so and so campaign is finalized on so and so date, and the following people are supposed to participate in the activity. Now how am I achieving it? Approval process, workflow rules. Approval process, workflow rules. Whatever the fields they have given, they are not suitable to me. I want to create my own fields. Salesforce has created a table with a couple of fields. Now whatever the fields they are giving, they are not suitable to me. I want to create some of my own fields. Now there is a table which Salesforce has given, but according to me they are not suitable. I want some extra fields. What are the extra fields I want? Look at the point. Now I want to get it. So here I want to say, when I say campaign, I want to know which city is this. in which city you want to perform a campaign, right? Then who is the authorized person? What is the contact number of the promoter? I want to get this. So what should I do? I need some extra fields. Then I'll say setup, build, customize, campaign, fields. Till now we are doing on custom objects and fields. Now we are trying to modify the existing CRM according to your choice. Now in the campaign, what I want some extra fields. What was that? I have a date. When was the campaign proposed date? When was the campaign proposed? Then when was the campaign approved? Proposed date, approved date. When you got the approval from the manager? Manager approved date. Then again, I want to know in which city you want to promote. So what was that? The object what the Salesforce has given. Now all your requirement may not be fulfilled with that. Now according to your requirement, whatever the extra fields you need, you create it. You create it. So I am creating here Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. Whatever the extra fields you need, you are trying to create it. So go with this. So I am going with creation of custom fields. Now some of the standard fields which are there, their names I want to modify. Actual cost of campaign. Actual cost of campaign. I don't want this. I want the name to be. Now you got this. I don't want this name. This name should be. The field is okay, but label name should not be like this. I want to put the label name as okay. Budget. Budget cost. Proposed budget. Okay. Now I want to say actual cost. I don't want to give it. I want to modify. Then what I will do? Tab names and labels. Good. So whatever the field the Salesforce is given, I am okay with the fields, but the labels are not comfortable to me. I want to use my company labels. Whatever the way we call it in the company, the same labels I want to put. The fields are okay with me, but the label names are not suitable to me. I want to modify it. So what I will do? I will go to campaign object, edit, next. Then I want to say the fields. Look at the fields. Campaign member status. I want to give as member status. Budget cost. Proposed expenditure. Like this, I want to modify some fields. So you can go to the tabs and modify it. So you can create your fields. If any one of the fields are there, you want to modify them, you can convey the process here. What was that? Once I save it, you'll get it. Probably go back to this. Open the record. So proposed, somewhere I have given, right? Expected proposed expenditure in the campaign. Right, boss? Now what I'm doing, I am creating my own fields and trying to modify it. It is up to your choice. So at the end of the game, I will not use what you gave. I will convert the application in the way I want and I will use it. This is what is called customization. What are you trying to do? Trying to modify labeling. Now I don't want to call this as a campaign. I want to call it as a promotions. I don't want the name to be a campaign. I want this name to be a promotion. What I will do? Setup, build, customize, tabs, rename tabs and labels. Now I am giving right. So trying to modify the object labels. Names will not be modified. Labels only modified. Names are not modified. Labels only modified. If they give some picklist field. The options, you need that field, but options you don't like. You want to create your own options. So what are you trying to do? Trying to modify the object, fields in the object, options in the object. Or trying to add extra fields, trying to modify the label names, change the options in the picklist field. Only options. Okay, now? I hope you are good with this. So what is a campaign? Anything that you do to promote the products of your company is called campaign. Now campaign influence, campaign numbers. Once you do the promotion, what we get? Once you do the promotion, what do you do? You get leads. Leads will get it. Enquiries will get it. Okay. So once you get the enquiries, what is the story? Any person who is showing lead. Okay. Any person who is showing interest on your product is called lead. Now the point is, when you say campaign, how are you getting the data for campaign? Tell me some of the ways of your campaign. What ways your company want to campaign? Now your company has to decide what is the mode. Somebody want to send an email. You get an emails, right? About shadi.com, credit card, household loan, pay 1 rupee, you'll get a lifelong 1 crore rupees every month. This type of message you'll be getting, right? Now what is that email campaign? Now you get SMS. SMS marketing. Now in the YouTube you get a messages on the audio. So it is what? Digital marketing. Digital marketing. Facebook you get the ads. Okay, you get the posters, social media marketing, posters. Now your company has to decide what is the mode of marketing your company want to do. Then next, your company has to decide whom they are targeting. Who is the targeted list? Now what was this? Mode of your campaign. Then targeted segment. Now mode of your campaign, targeted segment. Are you getting my point? So the two terms also very important in the campaign. Whom are you targeting? Which group of people you are targeting? What is the mode of your campaign? Okay. Then lead. Any person who is showing interest on your product is called lead. Lead is a lead maybe a person, maybe a company. Person making himself an inquiry, or a company is making an inquiry. A person making an inquiry or a company is making an inquiry. But at the end of the game, who are you? You are a person showing interest on your product. Now there will be two types of lead data. One is the raw data, another one is qualified data. Raw data means what? Now I purchased a data from some third party company. That is a raw data. They are not qualified. Now you made a call to Just Dial and you told you are looking for a Salesforce training in Hyderabad. They took your number and name. They told we'll send you the details in short. Now we received a mail from the Just Dial, their boss, so inquiry is made. Then when I made a call to you in the next day, you told you are dropped. Now when you're going through it, you are influenced with the Salesforce. You made a call for inquiry. Tomorrow you are convinced not to take the course. Then when I make a call, you said I'm not interested. So you are a lead. You only made an inquiry that you are looking for a course. But next day, now anything can happen. Next day your thought has changed. Now instead of Salesforce, you thought of going for a machine learning. Okay, instead of Salesforce, you thought of learning a machine learning. So you dropped the Salesforce course. Now when you made a call, you're not interested. Now what happened? Every inquiry we get will not be converted. So you showed an interest to come back to this. But every inquiry will not be converted. Now look at this. These people, I got a inquiry, sir. That look at the point. How this person inquired? He made a call, phone. This fellow sent an email. This person sent an email. This person has sent an email, and this person has walked in. He came to your house and spoke. Right. This person sent his or in the shadi.com only gave a reply. He gave a reply on the shadi.com. Are you getting my point? So when you look at this, we are not sure. When you look at this, we are not sure. Now how we are going to get it? When you look at this, we are not sure how we are going to get it. Now the lead coming from which source? Lead coming from which source? Endama. Now, so how the lead is coming? How the lead is coming? What is the source of your lead? Different people will give different ways. Okay. Different people makes inquiry in different way. Different people, can you give it? I'll wait, no problem. So different people make different inquiries. How the lead is coming? So people are showing interest and they're approaching you. How they're approaching? Now when I have an insurance company, now somebody go to website and make an inquiry. Somebody may make a call to customer care. Somebody may make an inquiry on third party websites. Somebody may talk to agent and say, I am looking for insurance. Now what is the source? What is the lead source? Now depends upon your business, lead source will be different. Depends upon your business, lead source will be different, right? Now employee, there will be a business development manager, he goes to the market, he talk to everyone, he get the contacts and make it. So he's what? Exploring the market. Business development manager, what they do? They talk to different companies, they get the inquiry, okay, they get the leads to us. So what is the source of your leads? Now, who is the lead? Lead is the person showing interest on your product, making an inquiry. There is one more source of lead. Now the person want to sell your product, he is also making inquiry. Satish, I want to take your classes, I want to put a branch in Pune, make the classes live. Now that guy has not come to the class, that guy has come to me for doing a business with me. Right? Right one. So who is that? Lead is a person showing interest on your product. He may be interested to purchase your product, or he may be interested to sell your product. Right? So that it can be a person or it can be a company. So what is that called? Lead. What is it called? Lead. I hope you're good. In the insurance company, who are the leads? If it is insurance application, who are the leads? Company may give a call to me, or a particular person may give a call that I am looking for a policy. Now it can be any company. Okay, somebody make a call to you, okay, and say that I require a health insurance. Somebody make a call to you and say that I require a child insurance. Somebody may make a call and say that my company risk insurance is required. So this inquiry is coming, showing inquiry on which product, what purpose. Now always you may or may not give the complete data in the inquiry. When you open the registration forms, most of the time you give dummy data, or you give only partial data, right? Am I right? You open any inquiry forms of any Google website, we don't feel like giving our data, but we want to use all the information, right? Am I right? So we give partial some mail. Most of the mail IDs which you give, you don't remember also. Am I right? So the data is there. So once you get a lead, doesn't mean that it is going to be a genuine. Now I have to make a call to you. I have to identify, boss, are you seriously looking for this? Are you seriously looking for this? If you are seriously looking for this, what are you looking? I have to talk to you. I have to analyze you. Then I have to come to a conclusion. Are you serious or not? So lead is just an inquiry. Now in the inquiry, it can be a serious, it cannot be a serious. Now in the inquiry, I may get all the required information, may not get the required information. So what I will do, I will have a procedure to tell, okay, how to qualify these leads. Now minimum basic data should be given. If phone number, email is there, then only I will communicate. If minimum data is not given, I will not take it as an inquiry. Are you getting my point? Sometimes the same inquiry may come number of times. Now you came to Capital Info Solution, inquired, we collected your data. You made a call to Just Dial, we collected your data. You went to our high-tech city branch and you made an inquiry, we collected your data. Some of your brother made a call, he also made an inquiry for you. Then same data is coming to me 4 times. Then we also need to know how to avoid these duplicates. Right? Now whatever the inquiry we received, we are getting the data. Now 7 years back, the student who inquired, still he has not joined course. There is no meaning in sending SMS to him. Am I right? Now we have the list of student data who came to us for inquiry, but they are not joined. We have the data. Now there is no meaning in sending SMS to all the people. Now in the last 3 months or 6 months, all the inquiries who have come, who are not joined, if I send, there is a possibility that the student may join. But if the time is already 2 years, by then he might have taken some other course, or he might have taken the course at some other location, or he might have dropped. There is no meaning. So you need to identify how to scrutinize your leads, how to make active leads, right, Amma? So what is that? What is the source of your lead? How are you qualifying the lead? What is the procedure you are following to qualify the lead? Right? Then what type of information you are taking? To handle this, we are going for a lead score. In the formulas, we wrote a condition, right? Lead score. First name is entered 10 points, last name is entered 5 points. Like that, I am going to create a rating for the student leads. If you got 5 ratings, I'll go and talk. If you got 2 ratings, somebody will talk to you. I hope you got my point. So lead score. Now the point is, what are the different ways in which we can create? Leads are going to be created in 3 different styles. One is from communities. Another one is employees creating the lead in the Salesforce application. Third one is Web2 lead. Third one is what? Web2 lead. From website you are making an inquiry, the lead is coming to me. So what are the sources of the lead here? Now as an employee, I may log in and create it. Second, you are making a self inquiry from the website. Or even if you walk down, come to my office and inquire, I only should enter the data? No. You came to Capital Info Solution, you made an inquiry, you will not enter the data. I only will enter the data. I am an employee. The source I will say walk-in. Or else my partners in the sense, I opened a showrooms. Now you went to one of the showroom to see, okay, some vehicle, Kodak vehicle you want to see. You want to have a test drive. You went there, asked, I need a Kodak vehicle. Now what is that? Now when you look at that, you went to the store and made an inquiry. Now who is going to enter the data? My partner. The storeroom is my partner to me. They are entering. So from community you may enter the lead. From the Salesforce application you can create the lead, or from the web you can create the lead. So Web2 lead, or employee, or communities, partner communities. I hope you're good. Clear? Clear for everyone? Okay. Now when I'm getting the lead from web, how to capture the lead from the web? That's the first point. How to capture the lead from the web? Setup, build, customize, leads, Web2 lead, edit, enable the Web2 lead, select the default created. What was the default created? Now, if I log into Salesforce, if I create the lead, created by whom? Satish. If you log into the Salesforce, if you create the lead, created by whom? It is you. Whoever has logged in, okay, he will be the created by user. But when the inquiry is coming from website, who has created? You are not my employee. Then the lead should be created on whose name? The lead should be created on whose name? When the lead is created by the customer from the website, when the lead is created by the customer on the website, then who is the person who created the lead? Who is the person who created the lead? That should be default created by user. So what I am going to do? Default lead created. Select the user, okay, on whose name the lead should be created. Whenever the lead is coming from website, on whose name the lead should be created. I selected this. I hope you're good. Then we have, if inquiry is coming from website, you want to send some reply, you can give a reply. Default email completed. Now reCAPTCHA. What is this? Now to avoid the spam, a random code will come, right? Enter the random code that I can create it. Okay. So first enable the settings. When you enable the settings, what should I do? After I enable the settings, go to Web2 lead form. Then tell which field should be there on the website. Go to Web2 lead form. Tell me which field should be there on the website. I told first name, last name, email, company, city, whatever the data. You want any other fields, you can give it. Select the fields from the lead object. Tell which field should be there. Now, once you are done with this, what should I do? You enter the inquiry form, you enter the data, submit it. After submitting, this should come back to some page, right? So to which page it has to come? Then, in case if you require this, we can use this. You need to create a key here, new key. Generate. Select the fields. Then what we got here? HTML code we got. Take this HTML code. Take the HTML code. Give this HTML code to your website designer. Now take the HTML code what is generated, give this HTML code to website designer. Then the website designer is going to copy this code to your website. Now here if you look at there is an organization ID, right? Based on this ID, Salesforce will recognize to which org the lead should be sent. Right. Now when you give this code, the website designer will copy this code to your website. When you copy the code to the website, I made a small mistake. Copy this code, save as, right. Save this code. Then you are going to get this as web to lead. Now generally this code will be copied to your website. To demonstrate the example, I saved as HTML. Then I made an inquiry. Praveen. Submit. You made the inquiry. When you made an inquiry, I gave callback URL, so it came to this page. Come back to the website, go to lead. Praveen I created, right? So go to the today's lead, KL Praveen, right? So inquiry what I made from the HTML form, it came to Salesforce. This concept is called web to lead. This concept is called web to lead. This concept is called web to lead. So capturing the leads from the website. Now, how many leads can be captured? 500 leads can be captured per day. Per day, we can receive 500 leads from website. If it is more than 500, what will you do? Up to 500 you can capture. If it is more than 500, what will you do? If it is more than 500, what will you do? Then the solution is whatever the default created by user you have given to that user, email will be sent with the lead details. Up to 500, directly it will go to Salesforce. More than 500, you will receive like a email. Satish made an inquiry with following data. Kumar made an inquiry with following data. You will receive a mail. Who will receive? Whoever the user you selected as a default created by user, he will receive the email. Per day, how many leads will be received? 500. What is the concept of web to lead? Now you are generating a HTML form that you are copying to the website of your company. If anybody is making an inquiry in the website of your company, that will be captured in the form of web to lead. That will be captured in the form of web to lead. Are you clear about this context? Am I clear? Right, Amma? Followed? Followed or not followed? Now you made a website. In the website, you are having an inquiry form. When you enter the data, where the data should go? Somewhere the data has to go, right? The data should go to my lead object. Right? So from your website, the data what you are making as an inquiry, the data should come to my Salesforce application saved in the lead object. So I will create this inquiry form as what? Web to lead. Now here we are writing our own code. But in this case, what I will do? I will go to Salesforce, setup, build, customize, leads, web to lead, create web to lead form. In the inquiry form, what fields should be there? You select them. And once I enter the data, to which page it has to go, give the callback URL, generate. HTML code will come. Give the code to your website designer. You will modify the code slightly with a look and feel and copy to the website. So if you make an inquiry in the website, that will come to Salesforce and save it in the form of lead. So how many leads will come per day? 500 leads. If it is more than 500 leads, then you will receive a mail. Every 501, you will receive a mail. 502, you will receive a mail. If you have more than, if you are getting thousands of mails, now you can communicate with the Salesforce people and ask them to increase the limit. It depends upon your business. The person, at the time of creating a web to lead, we selected some user as a default created by user, right? That user will get. Okay. I hope everyone is good. Concept is clear. Web to lead means from the website of your company, you want to capture the leads into your lead object. So you want to keep an inquiry form in the website. If somebody make an inquiry there, that should come to the Salesforce lead object and save it. For that, we have a concept called Web to lead in Salesforce. In the Web to lead, we are going to get HTML code. Copy that HTML code in the form of, okay, and save it as .html file. Enter the data. The data will come to lead object. Did you get my context? You can have the field should not be modified. Look and feel CSS you can apply. Look and feel and CSS you can apply. There is no point. Okay. Everyone has good amma? Concept is clear? Followed everyone? Followed everyone? What is the navigation? What is the navigation? Setup, build, customize, lead, web to lead. Select the fields, then give the some website URL, generate the form, HTML code will come. Copy the HTML code as .html. I hope you are good. Next we have lead assignment rules. What was the next topic we had? Lead assignment rules. What was that lead assignment rules? Now, generally, if you create the record, who will be the owner? You will be the owner. If I create the record, I will be the owner. But according to my business, inquiries will be coming from different places. Now I am sitting in the reception. A student came to me. I took his data, entered. He is making an inquiry about Salesforce. Now the data should be assigned to Satish. Now student came. Now he came for a DevOps inquiry. That should be assigned to DevOps, okay, admin team. Now we have a separate team for Salesforce, separate team for DevOps, separate teams for, okay, your Oracle applications. Now somebody comes, now will say, which course you are looking for? Salesforce, go to the first floor, Stavana, Ramesh or Monica will be there, talk to them. Now you are coming for a DevOps. Now we say, go to the second building. Okay, next, okay, don't come to main building, go to the second building, second floor, Dinesh will be there, talk to him, he will give the details about your DevOps. Now if you are coming to the first floor and say DevOps, I will take you to Dinesh. If you come to the second floor and say you are looking for Salesforce, I will take you to first floor. Now what is it? We had a different teams to handle different inquiries. Right? Now student will not come to second floor directly. He may go to first floor, he may go to second floor. Now what is that? Depends upon my business rules. I have to tell who should be the owner. Now you opened a website, ICICI Bank website you opened, you made an inquiry that I am looking for a credit card. Automatically your lead should be assigned to whom? Credit card team, not to the loan team. If you make an inquiry to the loan, I am looking for a housing loan, your data should be assigned to loan team. Loan team of what? Hyderabad. Because you are making an inquiry from Hyderabad, Hyderabad team should call you. Because they have to process it. So what is it? The owner should not be directly assigned. Owner should be decided based on your business rules. Your business will decide the owner of the record. Right? What was that called? Lead assignment rules. Generally, when I create the record, I am the owner. When you create the record, you are the owner. I don't want the owner to be decided by you. I want the owner to be decided based on the business rules. Now, look at this. Now we received an inquiry. Now, Divya made a call and told she is from some US. She was talking. Now, Prasad don't want to talk. They told, I made a team, NRA team. So any NRA proposal coming to me, boss, okay, my brother will talk. Any Indian proposal coming to me, okay, my sister will talk. That is what? Let the inquiry come from shadi.com or okay, anything. Now depends upon type of inquiry I was assigning. Now from shadi.com I received a proposal for from US. Now my brother will talk. Now from matrimony.com I received a marriage proposal from India. Then my sister will talk. What is that? I am assigning who should be the owner of the record. Depends upon your business proposal. I hope you are getting my point. Is that what's clear? Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? What was the point here? Boss, we don't want the owner to be decided by, we don't want the user who created the record to be the owner. My business should decide it. Then we are going for what? Lead assignment rules. What were that? lead assignment rules. What are these rules? They will decide who should be the owner of the record. Lead assignment rules will decide who should be the owner of the record. So let me give you quick concept here. Setup, build, customize, leads. What do we have here? Lead assignment rules. New rule. New rules. Go back to this. Then we have rule entries. Rule number 1. Then I give a condition. If city equals to Hyderabad, if a lead is created with the city equal to Hyderabad, assign the owner as Q. Who should be the owner? Hyderabad. Hyderabad team is the owner. Who should be the owner? Right. Now, again one more rule, new rule. If city equals to Bangalore, then assign the lead to. Now we are deciding the owner of the record depends upon this data. So go to the lead, new lead, Kiran, testing, city, Hyderabad. When I say city equal to Hyderabad, assign using assignment rules. Then who is the person who created? Satish. But who is the owner? How? Depends upon the rules, the record is assigned. But if you want to assign, there is an option at the bottom. What is that? Assign the records based on active. I told city equal to Bangalore. You need to enable this, then only rules will be applied. Bangalore team, right? Assignment rules. What are those assignment rules? Assignment rules will tell who should be the owner of the lead according to your business process. Now, rule number 1 verified. It is success. It will not check the remaining rules. It is not like check rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3. It will check rule number 1. False, then only checks rule number 2. False, then only check rule number 3. Rule number 1, true, stop the process. Right? So what we have? Lead. Lead is the person who is showing interest on your product. The leads will be coming from different sources. Now, according to your business, what are the sources of lead? Once you get the lead, who should be the owner of the lead? Lead assignment rules will decide who should be the owner of the lead. Then web to lead. From the website, if anybody, website of your company, if anybody make an inquiry, if that inquiry should be saved to Salesforce lead object, then we go for web to lead. How many leads we capture per day? 500. More than 500, email will be sent. I hope you are good. People are good with this? Right. Now, next one. Auto response rules. Lead auto response rules. What is that lead auto response rule? Boss, when an inquiry is coming from website, you made an inquiry saying that I am looking for a health insurance policy. Then what is the reply I have to send you? We received an inquiry. Here are the list of health insurance policies we have, and our agent will get back to you in 48 hours. Now, because you made an inquiry about health insurance, I am sending a reply to you with health insurance policies, type of health insurance policies we have, and I told my agent so and so will get back to you within 48 hours. You made an inquiry about life insurance. Thanks for inquiring with us for life insurance. These are the list of life insurance policies we have. My agent will call you to explain the details, more details. Now, if the inquiry is coming for life insurance product data has to be sent. If it is coming for health health data. Are you getting? If you are making an inquiry to me with the Salesforce, then I have to send with the data. This is the Salesforce course. This is the syllabus. Okay, our receptionist will call you to explain about more details. If you are making an inquiry about DevOps course, I have to send the details about DevOps. Automatically the mail has to send. I should not manually send it. When I receive an inquiry from the website for a Salesforce, automatically my system should send email to you with the details about the Salesforce. Now this is called auto response rule. This is called auto response rule. When we receive lead from website, what is the response mail I have to send? What is the response mail I have to send? What is the response mail I have to send? What is the response mail I have to send? That is given based on auto response rules. Lead, auto response. Now I told, whenever a new lead is created, new rule. Then I told, if the lead is created with the city equal to Hyderabad, then the response mail from Satish, what is the mail I want to send? Select the template. Select the template. What is the mail you want to send? Select the template. Are you getting? If the lead is created with the city equal to Hyderabad, send this response. If it is created with the Bangalore, send this response. Are you getting? When we receive a lead from website, what is the response mail I want to send? That I will be giving as auto response rules. Lead assignment rules will tell who should be the owner. Auto response rules will tell when the inquiry is received from website, what response mail I have to send. Which mail has to be sent by the system, right? Which mail has to be sent by the system? That's what we are giving. I hope you are good with this. People are good with this. So what are the technical terms we have? Tell me now. Lead assignment rules, web to lead, auto response rules, and we also saw lead process. Do you remember that? Record type. In the record type concept, I discussed lead process. What is it? Once a lead is created, what are the different stages the lead will undergo is given by lead process. Okay. Now in the lead object, look at this. Fields, we know how to create a custom fields, how to modify. A related lookup filter means in case if you choose lead object as a parent, which records of the lead should be displayed. Validation rules, page layouts, compact layout is in the mobile, the size is small. So what should be displayed in the mobile? Search layout, lead assignment rules, right? What are the buttons are there? Lead process, record types, limits, web to lead, lead auto generation. Most of the topics with respect to admin, whichever is not there, they will be covered in the development. Right, Amma? But the concept of lead is clear, right? Everyone is good, right? Now let us say if it is a credit card application. Now who will be my lead? I see as a bank credit card application. Who will be my lead? Now anybody who is applying for a credit card will be my lead. If you make an inquiry, he is going to be a lead. Now how can I get inquiries? You may go to ICICI Bank and ask, or you may get a pre-qualified offer in the website. I can apply it. Or somebody, bankbazaar.com website I opened, I made an inquiry. Their company is sending the details. I might have opened ICICI Bank website, made it. Our agent has come to me. Okay, I am a salaried employee. Agent has come to me, made a call. Boss, you are a pre-qualified, take the card. So all these are what? Sources of lead. Or a company may inquire to have a card on the name of company. Now company want to make some transactions on the name of company. They want a company card. Right, Amma? So what was that? These are the leads. Now is a lead is a customer? You're not a customer. It's just an inquiry. Okay. When I talk to him, when I convince him, I'll wait. When you get an inquiry, what will you do? You will schedule a call. You will schedule a call means, right, boss, I want to call this customer tomorrow and talk to him. Then fix an appointment. Give a call and say tomorrow, boss, can I meet you tomorrow to explain about the products? Or tomorrow, okay, can I have a call with you tomorrow for 1 hour? to explain about the policies. This is what? Schedule a call. Now, schedule a call, fix an appointment, then talk to the customer. Now, you want a policy. Why are you taking this policy? What is your aim of taking this policy? Now, you came up with some plan, but tell me what is the purpose of your purpose. Then if there is any better choice, I'll tell you. Right? Are you getting? Now, interview. You want to take a Salesforce course. Are you eligible or not? What do you want to take? Where are you trying for a job? Are you trying for a job in Indian market? Admin, don't take. Admin and development, yes, take it. Now, what is this? We are trying to interact with you to tell you what you need and understand and give a better solution. Now, what is this interaction? We are interacting with the customer to tell what we can offer. When you told me, boss, you are a BCom fresher or BSc fresher. Then I told, don't take that course. Now, at least BSc 2-3 years gap should be there. Otherwise, BSc fresher will not get a job. Don't take it. Now, what does it mean? What does it mean? Now, you are genuinely interested, but the service what you are looking, we are not able to provide it. It is not necessary that every service you request, we will be able to offer. Now, you told we need a policy, but within 2 days I need a policy. I have some emergency for a company. Now, you told we cannot issue a policy within 2 days. My company policy says within 7 days only we can issue a policy. Then I am not interested to take a policy from you. Now, you made an inquiry. The service what you are looking, I may or may not be able to render you. So, talk to him, understand his requirement, then we will qualify him. When you qualify him, he become what? Customer. He will become what? Customer. During the process of qualification, lead, schedule a call, fix an appointment, schedule a call, fix an appointment, interview the customer, understand the need, then we will qualify the lead into account. Right? Are you clear? Are you clear? What are the technical terms you have seen for the day? Product. What is a product? Anything that your company is trying to sell. It can be a service or it can be an item, physical item. Okay. Then what is the price book? List of products with the corresponding prices. How many types of price books are there? 2 types. Standard, custom. Standard will contain all the products with the standard price. Price book is collection of products with the list of prices. Now, price, okay, what is the list price? The price what you are displaying on the price book is list price. What is sales price? The price for which you are selling is a sales price. The price for which you are selling is a sales price. Right? I hope you are good with this. Now, the sales price are list price and standard price. I hope you are good with this. Then, what we had? Campaign. Campaign influence, campaign members. And targeted segment, source of data. Then lead, inquiry. Now it is what? Lead is inquiry. Now on the lead, if you want, there are 2 types of it. If it is a company, I want to collect different type of data. If it is a person, I want to collect different type of data. How will you achieve that? I am getting a lead. Lead is one company is inquiring, person is inquiring. Then how will you get the data? Person data will be different from company data. Then how will you achieve it? On the lead object, we are going to create a record type. Then we are going to say person or company. When it is a person page layout will come. Company page layout will come. Are you getting my point? Now in the object, I want to show in 2 different ways. What is the concept I apply? Page layout. Now when I click on the lead tab, which field should be displayed? How will you control? Search layout. Right? Now I want to apply some validation rules. Are you clear about this? Am I clear? Am I clear? What are the technical terms we have? Okay, web to lead. What do you mean by web to lead? From website of your company, if anybody make an inquiry, that should come back to Salesforce. How many leads we can capture? 500. How many leads we can capture? 500. Every lead will become account, may or may not. Every lead will become account, may or may not. Okay. Now, once you converted the lead, you felt a lead is, you spoke to the lead and you want to convert it. So we had a standard functionality called lead convert. So web to lead, assignment rules, auto response rules, lead process, lead conversion. Assignment rules means they will specify who should be the owner of lead. Auto response rules, when you receive a lead from the website, what is the response mail I want to send? That should be given as auto response. Lead process, once the lead is created, till the lead is closed, what is the process that I have? What are the stages that lead has to go? That is called, right? Okay, right? I hope you are good with it. Now let us go to the okay. Let's go with the next one. Lead conversion. When you convert the lead, how do you convert the lead? Go to this. Lead. Right. We are going with this. What is the button here? When you convert, once I feel everything is okay, I'll convert. When you convert, what happened? Lead will be converted into account. So when you convert the lead convert. When you convert the lead will be converted into account, contact, opportunity. Generally, how the lead data will be there? Look at this. I'll give the critical definitions separately. Okay. So already people are with saturated faces, so notes I'll give you separately. Listen to the context. Satish from Capital Info Solution made an inquiry saying that they are looking for one iPhone. They want to purchase some iPhone X for someone. Now, who made an inquiry? Satish made an inquiry from Capital Info Solution for an iPhone product. Now, when you convert the lead, Capital Info is the company with which I am going to do a business. It is not for Satish. The product iPhone is for Capital Info Solution. Now, Capital Info Solution made an inquiry. Okay, Capital Info Solution become what? Account. Now, who made an inquiry? Satish. Who is Satish? Contact of Capital Info Solution. As a Capital Info Solution company cannot talk on behalf of company, Satish is talking. What did they give me? Opportunity. What is the opportunity? iPhone X. If I purchase, let us say company will get around 80. The company is going to get some revenue of 80k. Now, when you get the lead, when you convert the lead, from the lead, what data is created? Account, contact, opportunity. One lead will be converted into account, contact, opportunity. One lead will be converted into account, contact, opportunity. One lead will be converted into account, contact, opportunity. One lead will be converted into account, contact, opportunity. One lead will be converted into account, contact, opportunity. I hope you are good with this. I hope you are good with this. Okay. Now, it is not necessary. It is not necessary. It is not necessary. It is not necessary that every lead will be converted into opportunity. It is not necessary that every lead will be converted into opportunity. Why? Because Capital Info Solution made an inquiry. And that I told, I need an iPhone tomorrow, can you deliver? You told not possible. But there's a possibility that Capital Info Solution may do more business with me. Then I will convert into only account and contact. So opportunity is a choice. It may or may not be converted. Every lead may not be converted into opportunity, but will be converted into account and contact. When you convert the lead, account and contact, or account, contact and opportunity. When you convert the lead, account, contact, opportunity, or account and contact. Is that was clear? Right? So lead convert. Okay. There's still some more points. Right. Shall we continue? Right. Okay. Chalo. Now, look at the point. When you say lead convert, what happened? When you convert, only standard fields of lead will be converted into standard fields in the lead object will be converted into standard fields of which fields? Whatever the standard fields are there in the lead object, only those standard fields of the lead will be converted into standard fields of account, contact and opportunity. Whatever the custom fields are there in the lead which you created, they will not be converted. Only standard fields will be converted. So when you convert the lead will be converted into account, contact, opportunity or account, contact. When you convert, what will be converted? Only standard fields. Custom fields will not be converted. If you want to convert the custom field, what is the procedure? Yes, we have a process called field mapping. If I use this field mapping, custom field in the lead can be mapped with the custom field of account, custom field of contact, custom field of opportunity. Again I repeat, when you convert the lead, look at the point, Satish, lead, convert. When you convert the lead is converted into account, contact, opportunity. Right? Now will that lead will be there? Do you have that lead? The lead will be deleted. When you convert the lead, the lead data is removed from the lead table, and with the same data, account, contact, opportunity is created. When I convert, no more lead. You are an inquiry. Once you join the course, what I will do? Remove your data from inquiry, add it to my student database. Am I right or no? So your inquiry, when I convert the inquiry as customer, remove from the inquiry list, add it to the customer list. When a lead is converted, account, contact, opportunity is created, or look at this. Convert the lead. What was that? Do not create opportunity. When you say do not create an opportunity, what happened? Right. I hope you're good. So account, contact, opportunity, or account and contact. I hope you're good. Next context is, I told field mapping. When you convert, what is happening? Only standard fields are getting converted. Custom fields are not getting converted. How do you convert the custom fields? Customize, leads, fields. Go to lead object fields. What are you finding here? Lead fields. So what are the fields here? These are the custom fields of the lead. These are the custom fields of the lead mapped with which custom field of account. Which custom field of account? Custom fields of the lead mapped with the custom fields of account. Custom fields of the lead mapped with the custom fields of contact. Custom fields of the lead mapped with the custom fields of opportunity. This is because standard functionality says only standard fields I will convert, custom fields I will not convert. You want some custom fields also to be converted, then I have to go for field mapping. So this will be the technical terms what we are going to have in the lead. Lead is nothing but an inquiry. The person showing an inquiry to purchase your product is a lead. We have web to lead, and immediately when you say project, they'll ask you what are the sources of your lead. From where are you getting your leads? How the leads are created. Application to application, the process changing. Auto response rules convey who is the owner of the record. Okay, assignment rules. Auto response rule says when you receive a lead from the web, what is the response email I have to send it? Lead process, life cycle of a lead. Then we have lead conversion. When you say lead convert, lead is converted into account contact or account contact and opportunity. When you convert, it is only converted into standard fields are converted, custom fields are not converted. You want the custom fields to be converted, we need to go for mapping the field. I'll give the critical notes to go through it. Procedure is clear for everyone? Yes, sir. Just go to the field object, go to the lead object, go to the fields, map lead fields. Then whatever you are able to see here, only custom fields you are able to see. These are the custom fields of lead. Now these custom fields of lead should be converted into which custom field of account. Okay? Right? Right, Amma? That's all from my end. We'll continue tomorrow. The notes part I will share it. I'll define the notes. I hope these three topics are clear for everyone. Product, price book. Now what are the prices? Standard price, list price. Okay, standard price, list price and sales price. Standard price, list price, sales price. Price book, product. Campaign, campaign member, campaign influence. Campaign hierarchy also. Then lead, okay, lead assignment rules, auto response rules, web to lead, lead process, lead conversion. The technical terms are clear. At the end of the game, the same concept, workflow, approval process, all the things are going to be same. Whenever a lead is created, send email, response mail. Okay. Whenever a lead is created, set the status equal to pending. Whenever the lead is created, assign a task to make a call to him. Now what is it? Workflow, assignment rules, everything is going to be same. But only thing is, in the sales process, the terminology we are going to call as lead. Right, Amma? The rest of the objects we'll see it in the coming classes. Chalo, have a nice weekend.